Hi, this is Melissa with A Creative Journey with Melissa, and today I am just doing a giveaway. That is all. I haven't been feeling that great for the past week, and I've had some teeth issues, or tooth issues, or teeth issues, anyway. And I'm actually having surgery in the next couple weeks, so I thought what better way to cheer us all up than give a giveaway. So these are actually giveaways that I did before and nobody claimed them, so lucky for you, yay, they're up again. So I want to show you this awesome set right here. I really like this. I really thought it was cool. It's a Carpe Diem Posh set. It's got A5 inserts. It's got some really cool sayings and some really awesome stuff. So I'm sure somebody that would like to be doing planner awesomeness will love these. This here is awesome stickers from Carpe Diem, and I think they're awesome. And what better way to celebrate awesome women than giving away some stickers like a boss, right? Anyway, so we have those, and then we have some cool clips, which of course are always helpful to make sure you keep track of where you're at and what you need to do and what page you're on and what date you're on, because sometimes, I don't know about you, but sometimes I forget what day it is. And then we also have this awesome set right here. It's a bookmark tablet. You can put some cool stuff on here and put it in like for your week of things to do, stuff like that. It's really a cool set of papers, and you have like a bunch of them. There's probably like 20 of them in here. I'm not sure, it doesn't say, but awesome just the same. So that is all I have for you. That is really all I have. So I hope you enjoyed this free giveaway. I hope that you check out our website at www.acreativejourneywithmelissa.com or www.acjwm.com. We have some awesome sign language stamps. We have some awesome autism awareness stamps, cancer awareness, breast cancer awareness stamps that can be used for any awareness cause. And we have a number of other fantastic sets like coffee sets. We have alphabets, some really cute sets, some awesome sentiment sets. There's a whole bunch of sets. Anyway, check us out at www.acreativejourneywithmelissa.com or www.acjwm.com. Just to reiterate, you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel and to our email/blog. If you are not subscribed to both, you are not entered to win. And make sure that you match, or let me know that you have two different sign-ons, because I keep a list, and then you will be entered to win. How do you like that? Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic week, and thank you so much for joining us on A Creative Journey with Melissa. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.